If you're experiencing playback issues or general errors with Windows Media Player on your computer, follow these two methods in order to get it working again. Method 1. Repair and reset the app. Start here first. This fixes most common playback and app crashing issues without removing anything. Open the Start menu and click on Settings. From the left menu, click Apps, then select Install Apps. Use the search box at the top of and type Media. Windows Media Player should appear in the list. Click the three horizontal dots next to Windows Media Player and select Advanced option. Scroll down to the Terminate section and click Terminate. Now wait a few seconds to complete the process. Scroll down further to Reset section and click Repair first. If the issue persists, come back and click Reset, then confirm by clicking Reset once more. Reset clears custom settings and preferences, but it does not delete your media files or libraries, so it's safe to try. Close the window and check if your issue is resolved. If Windows Media Player is still acting up, move on to the method 2 below. Method 2. Reinstall Windows Media Player Legacy. Use this if repairing and resetting didn't solve the problem. Open the Start menu and click on Settings. In the left-hand navigation, click System. Scroll down and click Optional Features. Click the blue View Features button. Search for Windows and select Windows Media Player Legacy and click Remove. Wait for a few seconds while the feature is removed from your PC. Once removal is complete, click Add a Feature or See Available Features. Search for Windows again, select Windows Media Player Legacy and click Add. Note, this process can take 50 to 20 minutes to fully reinstall, so be patient and don't close the settings window. Once installation is complete, open the Windows Media Player app and your issues should be completely resolved. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.